Hi students of class 1. Today we are going to read chapter 1, that is Computer a Smart Machine. Everyone please open the book, page number 7, and let us start the class. We will read the chapter line by line, and as you are opening the book, take a pencil in your hand too. So everyone please open the book, page number 7, and take a pencil in your hand. Let us start the class. Now, last day I told you that in this chapter we are going to learn about the man-made things and the different types of machine, and also we will learn about what are those machines do for us, and also we will describe a computer system. Now, there are many things that is made by the man. The things that are made by man are known as the man-made things, and we can see a lot of things that are made by the man. Now, can you name some of the things which man has made? As we are sitting in a room, we can say that the bed is made by the man, the fan is made by the man, then the table that we are sitting on for reading is made by the man. These are some of the examples that are made by the man. Now, let us do this get going in the book with the pencil. Now, let us read the question. You can ask your teacher to divide the class into 2 groups. 5 students can be selected from each group. You have to identify the man-made things from the following pictures. Each student can identify only one picture. The team which identifies all of them correctly is the winner. Now, as we are doing the online class here, we cannot make the group and select the students and make a competition in between the class. Rather, we will just tick the things that are known as the man-made things. So, let us start. Football is a man-made thing. Mixer is a man-made thing. Apple is not a man-made thing. Refrigerator is a man-made thing. Bird is not a man-made thing. Cake is a man-made thing. Television is a man-made thing. Flower is not a man-made thing. So, we have got football, mixer, refrigerator, cake and television are man-made things. Now, some of the man-made things help us by making our work easy. So, man-made things usually help us by making our work very easy and fast. Please turn the page. So, previous page we have learnt about the man-made things. Now we are talking about machines. So, man-made things which help us to do our work quickly are called machines. So, man-made things which help us to do our work quickly are called machines. Now, what are What are machines? Machines do different types of work. They make our work easy. So man-made things which help us to do our work very fast and easily are called machines. Now machines can do different types of work. By that they make our work very easy. Now let us see what are the things machine do for us. Machines are made by us. Machines make work easy. Machines save our time. Machines work very fast. So what are the things machines do? First of all, machine is made by us. So that is why they are called man-made things. Machines make work easy. Machines always makes our work very easy. Machines save our time. As they work very fast and do the work for us, they saves our time. And machines work very fast. Now there is one quick bite in this page. We have to learn this quick bite. Early computers were very big in size. They would fill a large room. So earlier days, computers are machines that are very big in size. They would like to fill an entire room to hold it. Next, machines have many parts which work together. So whenever we are talking about a machine, it has different parts inside it so that it makes our work easier. And those parts work together to make the machine work for us. Now let us look one example given in the book, that is a car. We all know that car is a machine. Now car has different parts like the car body, the four wheels, the steering wheel and the engine. These four parts are there in the car. Without these parts, the car cannot be made or we cannot travel in the car. So, whenever we are talking about a machine always have many parts which work together to make the machine work for us. They are put together to form a car. These four parts are put all together to make this car. Different machines have different parts. We all know that different types of machines will have different parts. Maybe when we are talking about a mixer, they might don't have wheels or steering wheel, but the machine called car have the wheels and the steering wheel or engine. Now please turn the page number 9. What machines do for us? Different machines do different things. Now let us look at some examples given in the book. Fridge or refrigerator. What we do with this? It keeps our food fresh. It keeps our food fresh. So refrigerator or fridge keeps our food fresh. Camera. We click photographs with it. So using our camera, we click photographs with it. Washing machine. Washing machine. We wash our dirty clothes in it. We wash our dirty clothes in it. To make our dirty clothes clean, we use the washing machine. Mixer. It is used for mixing things. To mix anything like spices or for making juice, we use the mixer machine. So we have learned that different machines do different work for us. We can see some of these machines at home and some outside our home. So from these 4 examples that we have got and many more examples we can see about machines. Those machines some of those we can see at our home, and also some of those we can see outside our home. Now we will do this flash test. You all have the pencil in your hand, so let us start. Let us read the question first. Write in for the machines you can see inside your house, and out for the machines you see outside. Now first, this auto rickshaw, we see this outside our house. So we will write here O-U-T, out. Fan, we can see it inside our house. So we will write I-N, in. Swing machine, this we can see inside our house. So we will write I-N, in. Car, we can see it outside our house. So we will write O-U-T, out. So auto rickshaw we can see outside our house. So we have written out. Fan we can see inside our house. So we have written in. Swing machine we can see inside our house. So we have written in. Car we can see outside our house. So we have written out. Now so today we have done till page number 9 flash test. Now your homework will be to read page 7, 8 and 9 as we have read in the class line by line. So everyone, I think the classwork and the homework is clear. We have read today page 7, 8 and 9 for the classwork, and your homework will be to read page 7, 8 and 9 line by line at home. So everyone, stay at home, stay healthy, and bye-bye.